It's the males who do the building. The first step is to tie a leaf strip onto a twig. It's not easy, for the fibre is very springy. The trick is to keep a firm hold on it with one foot. Then you can tie the knot with your beak. Fresh and supple, and the birds get supplies from a patch of grass nearby. They tear off the strips by gripping the side of the grass blade close to the ground and then simply flying straight up. Over 1,000 of these strips are needed for a single nest. This looks neat enough, but it's not yet won him a mate. But this bird, luckier or more skillful, has, and now he can get on with finishing the job.